My name is Daisy Yadira Ramos. Activity 1. My opinion about positive and negative effects of technology on the environment. Technology meets the needs of human beings, but to achieve this objective, natural resources are needed, which have been exploited without control in addition to producing waste and pollution generating great damage to the environment. Pollution affects climate change as affecting us and uh, a direct way that is in our daily life. For example, in recent years, the ozone layer has been heating, weaker and glaciers have been melting. Technology has helped man to improve his quality of life, but it has also greatly affected nature. That is why it is necessary to reflect on the present and future consequences of these impacts. The excessive increase in environmental problems at a global level has promoted local and international initiatives around possible solutions to take care of the environment and seek more sustainable formulas to interact with the environment. Activity 2. How see the future of our planet? Many of us think that perhaps our planet in a few years will be full of robots and machines that will do everything in exchange for us. Many of us think that perhaps our planet in a few years will be full of robots and machines that will do everything in exchange for us. But might not when it perhaps because of all foul disasters and we become extinct due to the chance that our planet has in a few years. Only we can decide how we want our planet to be in a few years if we want it to be a sustainable planet and where we can care about a good life or a planet where there is no longer a threat. Activity 3. How to mitigate environmental damage. Today one of the great concerns is to reduce the environmental impact and fulfill its commitment while respecting the environment, thus promoting sustainable. Some actions that we can take to mitigate environmental damage are 1. Use energy properly. 2. Use water responsible. With the packaging of the products we buy.